of your superb calendar, which has been, oh, it's the 9th year. So yeah, amazing. And I want to say one thing here. I just got to know that Mr. Manoj was a journalist before. So हमारे लिए सबके लिए कितनी प्राउड वाली बात है आप सबके लिए एक्चुअली कि वन अमंग्स यू इज डूइंग सच ग्रेट वर्क सो रियली रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच हमें इस जर्नी में शामिल करने के लिए एंड थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी सो दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट टाइम अपीयरेंस इन हैदराबाद एंड आई एम रियली रियली इन्जॉइंग इट मैं बाहर देख रही थी क्योंकि मैं मुंबई में काम करती हूँ उधर टेलीविजन में तो अलग माहौल होता है एंड आज मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा था नए नए चेहरे देखने को मिल रहे थे एंड बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग टाइम फॉर आस So I'm very happy to be here, and I congratulate Manoj because I know him from couple of years, and he asked me for this calendar, but I was shooting in Sydney. So today I'm in Hyderabad just because of Manoj and just to support him, be with him, and I'm very happy to, feel that this calendar is doing its 9th year, and every year he shoots amazing pictures, and he introduced so many new talents to the industry. So very happy to be here. Thank you.
हो गया इतना जल्दी okay so in which way you want to like showcase yourself in a traditional or else in a western wear
Always traditional.
ఆల్వేస్ ట్రెడిషనల్
Yeah.
ఓకే తెలుగు బుట్ట బొమ్మలాగా తయారవ్వాలనుకుంటుంది అనమాట ఓకే హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో
There are so many, but in Telugu,
ఇన్ తెలుగు
Nani Garu.
నాని గారు యు నో ఎనీ డైలాగ్ ఆఫ్ నానీస్ కెన్ యూ టెల్ us వన్
No, no, not right.
ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఎనీ సాంగ్ ఇస్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ us పాట పాడిన ఓకే కదా మీకు
Um, there are so many, but last film I really watched, Hi Nana, I loved that film.
ఓ సూపర్ నౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్
No, no, not
హూ
right.
ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్ట్రెస్
Sai Pallavi.
Congratulations, Manoj Garu. Congratulations, all the beautiful people here. Beauty is not just physical appearance, it is about embracing your flaws and having the inner strength, courage to show them. So, for all your needs, beauty needs or any other thing, ERA clinics have always been here for my South Diva. And congratulations again.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు అందరూ బాగున్నారా బెస్ట్ ఓకే నా పేరు రిచా జోషి సో వీఆర్ హియర్ టు హ్యావ్ ద లాంచ్ ఆఫ్ మై సౌత్ డివా క్యాలెండర్ ఆఫ్ ద 9th edition of it by Manoj Katokar garu and I've seen throughout these years that he is very dedicated and very true to his craft, and it's very beautiful moment today that I'm here, invited by him to be part of this launch, and I really wish him all the best for his future endeavors. And thank you, media, for coming here. Thank you so much.
Thank you to the media. Thank you so much, Manojji, for inviting me here as a guest. And thank you so much for all the honored guests who are here. So everyone knows ee roju na movie Razakar Aha TV lo release ayindi.
OTT.
And media has shown so much love towards it that I want to take this moment and I want to thank all of you for the success of the movie, for all the good words that I've been receiving. And really thank you for taking our message to a larger audience. And it's really a beautiful calendar here and hoping to work with you very soon, Manojji. Thank you so much, everyone.
what is the best compliment you have received from Razakar movie after acting that? What is the best compliment you remember and what the compliment you remember?
It's
this
not
year?
a compliment, I would say it was a gesture. I went to a Navratri event and one lady came to me and that was the first time that ever happened to me. A lady came and she's like, ma'am, ek autograph milega. That was such a moment, I think, for any actor when that happens. It's very sensitive and very touching because all the years you work hard and when somebody finally recognizes your work and comes and says ki autograph, that was a very special moment for
So
me.
now you tell us what is your favorite wear, traditional or western?
I'll go with Indo-Western.
Indo
Both I like.
western. Super. But today your dress is too pretty and you're
Yeah,
looking too
Navneet
gorgeous.
styled me, so
Oh, super. And now tell us who is your best favorite actor and actress?
Prabhas Supremacy.
Prabhas.
Garu he's the best.
Okay.
The nation has appreciated his work.
Can we have one dialogue? Oh.
Prabhas, I think we all know he's not much of a vocal person. That
Hey, there is one dialogue. ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తావా జీవితాంతం ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని చూసుకుంటా
Oh my god.
ఒక్క
I
ఛాన్స్
lost weight. ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తావా?
జీవితాంతం
జీవితాంతం
ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని చూసుకుంటా.
ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుని చూస్తాను.
చూసుకుంటా.
Okay, చూసుకుంటా.
ఓకే సూపర్. అండ్ హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్ట్రెస్?
I think I'll just go with Anushka Shetty. Classic actor.
అమ్మయ్యా ఈవిడ సాయి పల్లవి గారి పేరు చెప్పలేదు. ఈవెన్ దో షీఈ్ అ గ్రేట్ యాక్టర్.
Obviously, I admire her. She is the.
No,
she has
here
skills in
majority
every way.
people said Sai Pallavi name. I thought you also will say that. Yeah, but you said Anushka
No,
Shetty.
she is great, but Anushka Shetty is one of my favorite.
For my debut movie Gamanam, like Manoj garu helped me a lot. I've Shriya Saran cast చేసుకున్నాము. I think without Manoj it wouldn't be, I mean, అది possible గా ఉండేది కాదేమో. And I'm seeing Manoj garu calendars from 5 years and they're all so beautiful and I wish him all the best.